Is your Chevy Tahoe key fob not working as reliably as it used to? Reduced range or complete failure are common signs of a weak battery. Dealership replacements can cost $50 to $100, but you can easily do it yourself for just a few dollars and a few minutes of your time. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in 2021-2025 Chevy Tahoe key fobs, saving you money and hassle. The 2021-2025 Chevy Tahoe key fob uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. This small, round battery provides the power needed for the fob's functions, including keyless entry and remote start. You can find CR2032 batteries at most auto parts stores, drugstores, or online retailers for just $2 to $5. They're widely available and inexpensive to replace. Make sure to purchase a quality brand for optimal performance and longevity. These batteries typically last 1 to 2 years with regular use. Avoid cheap knockoffs, as they can leak corrosive materials and permanently damage your key fob's internal electronics. You'll only need a couple of simple tools for this DIY replacement. A small flathead screwdriver works well for prying open the fob. A plastic pry tool is preferable to avoid scratching or damaging the fob's casing. You'll also need your new CR2032 battery. Consider using an anti-static mat and wrist strap, although not required, to protect the circuit from damage. Locate the small seam running around the edge of your key fob. This is typically near the key ring attachment. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as you could break the plastic clips holding it together. Work your way around the seam until the fob pops open. Once the fob is open, you'll see the circuit board and the CR2032 battery. Note the polarity of the battery with the positive side up before removing it. Use your fingernail or the tip of your screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is facing up. Ensure the battery is securely seated in the holder. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. Consult your Chevy Tahoe owner's manual for specific instructions. Some models allow reprogramming through the vehicle's infotainment system. A common method involves holding the lock-unlock buttons simultaneously while inside the vehicle. If problems persist, consult a professional. Always dispose of old lithium batteries properly at designated recycling centers to prevent environmental contamination. To extend battery life, avoid exposing your key fob to extreme temperatures and store it away from electronic devices that may cause interference. Future Tahoe models might integrate phone apps more seamlessly, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Expect more efficient batteries, but CR2032 will likely remain standard until 2030.